The other day, a lady called, wanted me to stop by and take a look at her hearing aids, said she just wasn't hearing quite as well as when she first got them. So I went over, and she had been maintaining these pretty well. You could tell that she had been doing a great job cleaning them. And then when I took the earbud off, I noticed that both wax filters were completely clogged. So I showed her how to clean those. I showed her just the basic maintenance on those and reassured her that she was doing everything properly. But this was something just normal wear and tear. And I said, now brace yourself, because when I put these in, you're going to think you've got a brand new pair of hearing aids on. And I put them back on. She teared up and was very emotional, just about started to cry. And she confided in me that she hadn't been hearing the way that she wanted to for some time. And she thought, I'm just getting old. My hearing's not what it used to be. Um, I don't want to bother anybody. And yet, the change, the absolute dramatic change in her was profound. And I remarked to her, I said, this really affected you on a deep emotional level. And she said, absolutely. Last night was about the final straw. I was very, very depressed. I couldn't hear. I was sitting with 5 or 6 of my friends, and all I could do was just sit there. I'm going out tonight. I can't wait. I reassured her and I said, look, you're doing everything right, but please don't wait. Don't wait to call me. Because what happens is, over time, you get used to not hearing again. And that's no fun. You've got a great pair of hearing aids. All I have to do is just a little bit of maintenance on them, just a quick cleaning, and off you go. And, there's absolutely no reason to wait. And so she was absolutely thrilled. So it's a real, real quick fix. So if your hearing aids are not performing the way that you want them to, if you feel that you're just not hearing the way that you used to when you first got them, call. Make sure that somebody takes a look at them. Make sure that they're nice and clean, that you don't have any wax in your ears that's clogging things up. It'll make a world of difference to you. So don't wait. Don't put it off. All right, take care. See you in the next video.